Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to share YouTube video from a specific time. So you can do it like this. So open YouTube and sign into your account. Next, find the video you want to share. So open it. Next, scroll down a bit and click share button below the video. Now once you're here at the bottom, you can check start at, just like so. So you can enter a specific time. Then YouTube will automatically add the timestamp. Then click copy and send the link to Facebook, Instagram, or whichever you want to share it.
Quick one. If you're finding this tutorial helpful, my team and I publish simply and easy to understand step-by-step tutorial daily. And I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button to support our channel and of course so that you'll never miss out when we release videos just like this one every single day. Now let's continue.
So for example, if you want the video to start at 2:30, so the shared link will include a timestamp so the person opens the video right at 2:30. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.